Hi, my name is Adanna McMayo, and I'm a third grade teacher at Beginning with Children Charter School 2. And I'm excited to talk to you about the book, I Am Enough. The main themes that stuck out to me was just being unique and accepting yourself. I feel like the beginning of the book is like this, like giving a sense of belonging to students. Like just like how the sun and the moon, like these things are a part of the earth and they belong here. We also belong, as part of the human race, as part of people on earth. We also should feel that we belong. So this book is great for using as an interactive read aloud in the lower grades. It has a lot of predictable text in the beginning of the story, and those predictable texts are those high frequency words like and I, so students can easily follow along and to be a part of the book. This book also has some rhyming words, which once again lends itself to those lower elementary grades. So they can easily pick up on those rhyming words. You can turn it into a phonics lesson, and you can do word families with it. So word families is like when the ending of the words are the same, and you find all the words that match that ending. So you can have like the eel family, like with EEL, and then you can have like peel and heel. It just adds all the words that have that same ending to it. Some of the rhyming words do not follow the same spelling pattern as well, so you can even have a discussion about different spelling patterns that also make the same sound and generate a list of words afterwards that they can add to this list and keep it going. This book is great for fluency because the author uses lots of commas throughout the book, and you can easily teach students how to chunk parts of sentences into groups of like 3 to 4 words, practicing those words together with a nice flow, and then go on to the next part of the sentence. So the author has a great spots for you to kind of just stop and chunk and put them all together. And they can just practice not sounding very robotic and reading word for word and tapping word for word, but just going smoothly across the sentences. Another activity you can do is to work on like the speaking and listening skills. You can definitely make this a chance for students to act out this book. The words, the sentences are very short. It's easy for them to hold on to. So they can take this book, they can act it out. It's a great chance for them to work on their diction, a chance for them to work on their expression. They can perform it and practice it within a small group or as a whole class, however, you feel comfortable doing it. But it's a great way for them to just make this declaration and show how they are enough. So as an extension activity, you can have students be the illustrators of this book. You can give them each a page with the author's words on it, and then have them draw the illustration that matches those words for themselves. And you can either put it together as a class book where each student has their own page, or each student can have their own book that says I'm enough with all of their illustrations in it. Overall, this book has simple text and a powerful message, so be sure to add it to your home or classroom library.